Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. We are the Linton family.
And today we're back with another gaming challenge. And how the challenge works is that the first person is gonna make a sentence, and then the last word they use, that's the word that the next person is gonna use for their sentence. And guess what, guys? Our mom is gonna be in the video, but you're not gonna see her face, and she's just gonna be in the background. So let's get on to the video.
So who's gonna start the video?
I want to start first.
Okay.
What
Shakina.
Okay.
Just make a sentence.
I love animals.
Okay. Animals are good.
Good is when someone is nice to you.
You are the best.
Okay, praise.
Best is the word that means someone is telling you you are the best.
Praise no. No.
Best means you're the best.
Praise is out. Praise, you're not making a sentence with that.
Best is a word that means when you do something for someone and they say you're the best.
Praise. Okay, we're just gonna give praise just one chance. We'll start all over again because we've not done this game before, so we're gonna start all over again. We just started the game, so
Made the game.
we'll have to start the game. Praise, this is your last chance. If you make any mistake, you are out. You're out. Okay, so Shakina, you're gonna start again, right? Let's go.
I love orange.
Praise.
Oh, orange is sweet. No. Orange is juicy.
Praise, you said orange is sweet. I'm gonna take the first word you said.
Okay.
Sweet is when something is tasty. Shakina, you're gonna make a word with tasty. Make a sentence with tasty.
I can help you out.
Just give me like kind of.
Okay, everybody has one chance each. Praise failed.
yum.
Wait, Praise failed the first chance. He failed the first one. So Shakina, you have a chance, and I also have a chance. If I fail one, we just have one chance each. So if you fail this, it's allowed. We'll start again.
Taste means like you taste something yummy.
The word is tasty, not tasty, not taste.
Okay. Tasty?
Yeah, tasty. Tasty means
Tasty means when you're hungry.
No. Okay, guys.
tasty means
Okay,
when
okay,
something that's yummy.
okay, guys. Let's start again.
Okay.
I'm starting this time. Let me start. Let
Who's
me.
gonna go next before you?
Praise is gonna go next. Okay, let me start with I love food.
Food?
I love food. Praise. I love food.
Food fills you up.
Shakina, up.
I can't go. I don't have no idea.
Up. Just make a sentence with the word up.
Up we go.
Up we go. That's good. Okay. Go to the agency.
Oh my god! Agency Fortnite!
Go to the agency.
So guys, if you don't know what agency is a Fortnite. That's what my brother said. That's the agency. I think the agency is where you get some guns.
Let's go to the agency. So Praise, make a sentence with the word agency.
Agency is where Midas.
And where
And Midas has.
No, just make a sentence. Then Shakina is gonna take over from you.
Okay.
Make a sentence with the word agency.
Agency is the place where Midas is.
Midas is. So maybe I should make a sentence with the word is.
Midas
No, make a
Is.
sentence with is. Is.
is
Make a sentence with the word is.
Is
okay, I will start with Midas.
No, make a sentence with is. You have to start with is.
that's what I start with.
It's very simple. Make a sentence with the word is.
Is.
It's Midas. It's Midas. It's Midas is evil, and he tried to keep it.
No.
Nobody is asking you what it means. Just make a sentence with the word is.
It's like
I am out.
you're right.
Okay, she said she's out. I'm gonna help her. Is this my book?
Is
It
this
would have
my
said,
book?
is this my pencil? Is this your book?
But
So,
he said Midas. Midas.
Everett, you don't have to explain what he said. Just make a sentence. So you're out of the game. No more chances. So, Praise, you're gonna start now. Start.
Are we gonna do 2 rounds?
My
No.
mom always puts on makeup.
Oh my god!
Makeup is for ladies.
Oh my god.
Ladies put on high heels.
Heels are comfortable.
Comfortable means when I'm relaxed.
Okay. Relax.
Mommy, good job.
Oh God. Wait. I'm not gonna ask. Relax is when your mind is at peace.
Peace. Peace is when everything is just fine and you can rest. Peace is when everything is quiet.
So which one am I taking? Is it the first sentence or the second one?
The first, I mean the second, quiet.
Okay, you said peace is when everything is quiet. Oh God. Quiet, my friend.
Nothing. Okay.
Yes, it's saying like quiet, my friend.
Friend.
Quiet, my friend.
Friend.
Mm-hmm.
Friend is a person.
Do you have to define what friend is? Can't you make a sentence?
Friend. Friend, are you there?
This boy is gonna beat me up. Okay, I'm pissed to be beat. Okay, dear.
Ooh.
No, you're not gonna change it again. You said friends, are you
No.
there? So I'm gonna make a sentence with the word
I'll
care.
be easy one.
No, don't worry. Let me make my sentence. Can I make my sentence?
She'll make her own sentence.
Hold on. He said, friends, are you there? There are so many people in this room.
Room. Hold on. Room is a place you sleep.
Oh, I have a good bit about sleeping, but I can't do a good about
Sleep, my dear puppy. Sleep, my dear puppy.
Oh,
Puppy.
I know.
Puppy sit.
Hmm?
A puppy, like the same puppy, should like you're training a puppy to like.
Puppy, you better sit.
Hmm?
Puppy, sit.
Puppy, you better sit.
You better do what?
Sit.
Sit.
Oh my god, this is so late.
This one's really easy.
Puppy, you better sit.
We
Okay.
can just do a short word.
Puppy, you better sit.
Sit.
Sit down. Please.
Down.
Sit down, please.
Sit down,
Go
my
down
dear.
to the floor.
Sit down, please.
Okay, please.
Sit down,
Please.
please.
Please go get me water. No.
You're not going to say no.
Please turn on the light. Please turn on the
Praise,
light.
I'm going to take the first one. You can't be changing like that. No way.
Please turn on the light.
Praise, no way.
That's my final one. Please turn on the light. Please turn on the light.
Light makes a place bright.
Right.
Light makes a place brighter. Okay, light makes a place brighter.
You're cheating.
I'm not cheating.
Right.
You're saying like another word, like you interpret.
No,
like
it doesn't matter. Like this. So which one did you say again?
Brighter. Light makes the place brighter.
Right. Brighter. Brighter or bright?
Okay, light makes the place bright.
Light.
Let me just make it easy for you. Bright.
Bright. Bright is the light.
Oh God. Bright is the light.
Oh.
Did we agree on going back to words?
No.
Bright is the light. Okay.
Oh, let's start all over so we can join.
No.
Someone has to lose. Light makes the place. You say
Okay,
bright
Mom.
is the light. Okay.
Why? Mom, the light is too bright.
Light up the room, please. Light up the room, please.
You ready to talk about rules?
Please vacuum the house.
Oh God, praise.
Oh,
This one. That's the hardest one.
house.
She's Mom, don't write it out. You're out.
I'm not.
If she
That's the hardest one.
if she says she's out, she's out.
What did you
But
say?
when
What
she
did you say again?
House.
House. House are built on the ground. House are built from the ground. House are built from the ground. I don't know what I'm saying, but house are built from the ground. Good.
No?
Yes,
That doesn't make sense.
it does.
House are
How
built from the ground.
House are
That
built
doesn't
from
make
the
sense.
ground.
They're out.
No. She means that they built the first part. They stopped.
You build a house from the ground. House are built from the ground. Yeah.
The first part you go on the
House
ground.
are built on the ground.
Like
Okay.
this. It's from
Yeah.
Ground. Ground you can walk on.
That's not a
No,
sentence.
hold on. Ground is when you walk on. Ground is when you walk on the ground.
There's no sense about that.
I won this
No!
challenge.
How did
Mama,
she
you
won?
did
You
it.
never won.
What is that sentence he made is wrong. He said
No,
ground.
you last.
I did
He
it.
said ground is when you walk on the ground.
No.
No.
Ground, but
You can make another
Please.
sentence.
Mom,
I won.
you didn't win. I'm not.
Can I?
Ground is
Ground
where you walk.
guys,
Ground
please.
is where you walk. Ground is where you walk.
But you didn't say that the first time. You didn't say that the first time.
Yes, I
Ground is
did.
where you walk.
I won.
Ground is where you walk from.
Shekina, please.
So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends, and comment. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. And you can also try this game at home. We love you guys.
Bye bye.